Welcome back to another Inter-Galactic CTF 2022 write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through both beginner pwn challenges in the CTF. Let's get into it. So to start it off, we're going to look at Uninvited Guest PWN2. We are trying to guess the password to this program, but nothing seems to be working. Dictionaries, brute force, and even interrogating the competition's janitor got us nowhere. But you may have more luck than us. Take a look. Alright, so we're going to connect to the remote server, the same one that we connected to with the Linux challenges. So let's go ahead and do that. And password is Inter-Galactic 2022, I think. Yep. Alright, so let's clear. Let's do LS. As you can see, all the pwn challenges are here. Even the first RE1 challenge is there as well. And we're going to go do the first one, of course. First, let's take a look. Alright, so let's see what happens if we try to run it. What's your name? Thank you, Almond. You can come in. You are on the guest list. Well, let's try playing around with it a little bit. Let's try putting in, I don't know, some numbers or something. Okay, those work fine as well. Let's try special characters. And there you go. There's our first flag. Special characters were not invited to the party. So it looks like whatever the program is doing is not checking or handling special characters properly. So it leaked the flag when we put in faulty characters. That's why input validation is so important in programming, so that you can avoid mistakes like this. All right, let's move on to PWN2 then. Evaluation time. We stumbled on this snake-based script, and we cannot get the right input in our laboratory testing. Are you able to figure this thing out? An alien left his secret in this Python 2 binary. I can't seem to put in the right input though. Alright, so we're just gonna back out of PWN1 and go directly into PWN2. And let's actually cat out PWN2.py since it's a Python script. And it looks like we're opening the flag file, and then we're reading the first line of the file, and then we're printing input, which is user input, which means if we put, say, like a variable or something as our input, it'll actually print it out, which is a vulnerability that is specific to Python 2. So that being the case, if we run pwn.py and we type in flag, it'll print out the flag for us because it's literally printing out whatever we put in as the input, and if we put a variable as in the input, it'll print that out if it's defined in the file. So there's our flag. Input is eval. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.